This is Kiki, the owner of EgiptEgyptianne collection. Today's chit chat is about Black Friday and Cyber Monday, TikTok posting versus Instagram posting, etc. So let's get into it. When I started getting around November, I was posting more on TikTok than Instagram. So by me posting more on TikTok, I just was like, okay, I'm gonna just stick to one platform and not do two platforms at the same time. So it was going good until I just started getting discouraged by the same views. Nobody's liking, everybody just want to follow, not liking, this and that and third. Then I was thinking to myself, it's like I should not care whether people are not liking or people are not viewing or any of that. I should just care about posting my content. So as I started doing that, I just felt like, okay, it's time to go to Instagram because TikTok is not doing it for me. I don't know how I went viral on my personal page and I can't go viral on my business page. So I don't know. So as I did that, switched transactions to Instagram, I started posting a few little bit on Instagram. I joined an Instagram group where a lot of business was in there. That helped. That somewhat helped because I was like, okay, hey, I'm new into this group. I didn't tell them to follow me. They just followed. Everybody was just being supportive, following, As that started happening, I realized being in groups with other business, you can really connect and bond. So I grew a bond with the group, and we just all support each other. My Instagram started going up, and I was like, wow, the amount of support from other people is really, really, really is like making me happy. It built up that discouraged. I really got like confident, like, okay, I got this. I got Instagram now. I can go ahead and post consistently. Start doing that. Start doing down with editing videos and all that stuff. Start doing that, and for reels, and my reels got closure. It really got up there. I remember one night during or before Black Friday, one night I posted a SpongeBob video, and it was Squidward and Squidward with the art and SpongeBob with the art. That video instantly went to 1,000, and then there was another video that went to 973, and I'm like, I'm going viral, like what? I'm going viral. So memes is what y'all want to see. So I started doing a lot of memes and all that stuff. It got really exposure to my Instagram page. So now I'm like, okay, I just need to start posting memes, reels about my business, and they will start liking it. I'm sorry, y'all. My children are sick, and I think they got me sick. So I started doing that, and it went good and went bad. It started going down. I'm just like, okay, maybe it was like non-followers really into it versus followers, which is okay. That's okay. So I just didn't care. I just said, you know what? I'm not going discouraged on Instagram. I'm gonna just keep posting. What was that TikTok? I don't care. I'm gonna promote my business every day, all day. I don't care. I'm gonna promote my business. That was my motive on Instagram. I don't care. I'm promoting my business. Y'all gonna see me every single day, different times in the hours and all that stuff. Boom. Now let's talk about Black Friday. When Black Friday came upon, Bougie Barbie dropped all her courses for $50. I bought 2 of her courses for $50, and that was how to go viral on Instagram Reels and TikTok. I bought that one, and I bought how to market like Barb, because I'm bad at marketing. So she's good at marketing. I'm bad at marketing, so I bought those. But when I tell y'all, me studying her work and doing it it helped my Instagram. I'm at 100 right now. It helped my Instagram, and it helped me be more consistent because I'm starting to see if I post more, I'm getting more engagement. So I'm starting to post a lot on Instagram now. So right now my post is at 100. So as I continue still posting, more of my Instagram is getting out there. So about the products for Black Friday, no, I didn't get no sales. No, I'm not sad I didn't get no sales. No, I'm discouraged from getting no sales because overall in this whole year I had got sales locally. So I am not mad. I am very happy. I said happy. I'm very happy, very blissful, very excited that local orders really pushed me to just go hard on online orders. So even though I didn't get none this year, next year it's my business year. Next year we're going to get some orders next year because it's taught me so much about time management, when to do stuff. Like I done seen other business time management to putting out Christmas or Black Friday, Halloween, this and that. Everybody time management. So it's teaching me some time management, y'all. And so yeah, I don't want to talk heads off. I don't want this video going long. So overall, my Black Friday was a huge success of posting and being consistent. My Cyber Monday was just for Cyber Monday. No sales, but still happy. And my website is under maintenance because we're revamping. We're putting all the Christmas collections in. So stay tuned for that, y'all. And I'll be back with another video. Bye.